Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Fatma. Dear colleagues and students, today we discuss about important MCQs, repeated MCQs related to one paper, FSC, part first and 9th, 10th also, metric students, JK, PPSC, NTS and MDCAT. Before starting our video lecture, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Let's start. Who is called the father of demography? Alan Turing, John Grant, Charles Babbage, Ibn Khaldun. The correct answer is John Grant. The one which is present in all living things, cell nucleus, DNA or RNA, cell membrane, vacuole. The correct answer is DNA. What is DNA? And what is RNA? Important short question also. DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid and RNA is ribonucleic acid. RNA जो होता है वो सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड होता है और DNA जो है वो डबल स्ट्रैंडेड होता है. Next, animals that eat plants are called herbivores, consumers, carnivores or omnivores. The correct answer is herbivores. Next, dash contains the green chemical called chlorophyll. Cytoplasm, cell membrane, chloroplast, vacuole. The correct answer is chloroplast. Next, lactometer is used for shape, milk, honey, none. The correct answer is milk. Important general knowledge MCQs also. Many of times examiner asks in the one paper. Basically lactometer जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं हम check the purity of cow milk की. It is a cylindrical vessel made by a blowing glass tube. On one side of the bulb is filled by mercury and the other side is a thin tube with scale. Lactometer is used for milk testing by which anyone can measure their milk purity easily. It's necessary to eat or drink healthy for a healthy life. Next, exact replica of chromosome refers to chromatids, centromere, kinetochore, arms. Many of time examiner asks what is chromatid. Chromatids क्या होते हैं? What is centromere? What is kinetochore? Centromere जो है हमारे पास the area where both chromatids come to join, and kinetochore it has a plate-like proteinous structure called kinetochore, where spindle fiber becomes attached during cell division. Next, density gradient centrifugation separates the materials on the basis of size alone, density alone, both A and B, velocity, movement. The correct answer is both A and B. Next, ribosomes are tiny granules. Ribosomes tiny granules हैं जो कि first study in 1955 by George Emil Pallady. George Emil Pallady using an electron microscope as a dense particles or granules. Basically, it is a Romanian American cell biologist first observed in the mid 1950s. You may also see in this diagram. Next, virus consists of parts 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 2. All viruses have at least 2 parts, outer capsid and inner either DNA or RNA, but not both. Mitosis is divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Firstly, you understand what is karyokinesis and what is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis जो होती है वो न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन में होती है. My dears, in previous video tutorial I described in detail about cell cycle but today I also discuss. And cytokinesis involves the division of cytoplasm, जिसमें complete process होता है. माइटोसिस इक्वेटोरियल डिवीजन होती है, ठीक है, जिसमें हम लोग आगे पैम पढ़ते हैं, लाइक प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टीलोफेज. नेक्स्ट, taking in liquid material into the cell is known as phagocytosis, pinocytosis, exocytosis, both A and B. The correct answer is pinocytosis. Next, under a compound microscope, chromosome is made of arms and centromere. The main type of plastids are chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Next, fibers of the extracellular matrix is the characteristics of plant cell wall, bacteria cell wall, cell membrane of bacteria, fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane. The correct answer is fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane. The process involved in inflammation of liver, apoptosis, necrosis, both A and P, non-disjunction. The correct answer is necrosis. Next, coordination in plant is by hormones. हम क्यों हार्मोन्स का इसमें नाम ले रहे हैं, एंजाइम्स का क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं, नर्वस सिस्टम का क्यों नहीं ले रहे, रूट्स का क्यों नहीं ले रहे? क्योंकि आप देखें, कोई भी चीज़ पे हम लोग करेंगे, ठीक है, प्लांट को डेवलपमेंट के लिए हम करेंगे, तो उसके कोऑर्डिनेशन के लिए तो हम कोई ना कोई हार्मोन्स यूज़ करेंगे. लाइक हम लोग सोल्यूशंस भी यूज़ करते हैं प्लांट की डेवलपमेंट के लिए, प्लांट की ग्रोथ के लिए. लाइक हॉगलैंड सोल्यूशन हम लोग यूज़ किया है हम लोगों ने, ठीक है. हार्मोन्स हम कौन कौन से यूज़ कर रहे हैं? ऑक्सिन हैं, साइटोकाइनिन्स हैं, एथाइलिन है और जिब्रेलिक एसिड है, GA. नेक्स्ट, which of the following is a filamentous alga? Chlorella, alga, Spirogera, Acetobloria. The correct answer is Spirogera. Spirogera का किंगडम प्लांटी है, डिवीजन कैरियोफाइटा है, क्लास Zygnematophyceae, ऑर्डर Zygnematales and family Zygnematiaceae. It's important for one paper botany. Cassiophystola is the scientific name of Amalthus. Important MCQs for botany students as well as biology student, one paper. Bacteria without any flagella are called Lophotrichos, Atritrichos, Peritrichos, Monotrichos. The correct answer is Atrichos. Protists have been evolved from fungi, plant, animals, prokaryotes. The correct answer is prokaryotes. Algae differ from plants in that their sex organs in algae are cellular, unicellular, multicellular, none of these. The correct answer is unicellular. A seed may be defined as fertilized ovule, ovary, egg, embryo. The correct answer is ovule. Next, platyhelminthes means flatworms. Next, the first land vertebrates were amphibia. The correct answer is amphibia. All life on planet Earth is powered by tidal energy, thermal energy, solar energy, kinetic energy. The correct answer is solar energy. Next, in birds, the sex is determined by the type of egg, autosome, sperm, none of these. The correct answer is egg. In the birds, the sex is determined. In RNA, nucleotides are attached by covalent bond, hydrogen bonds, peptide bonds, phosphodiester bond. The correct answer is phosphodiester bond. The chromosome is gene plus genes, gene plus protein, gene plus protein. The human body contains water 60 to 80%, 70 to 90%, 75 to 95%, 80 to 90%. The correct answer is 70 to 90%. Freshwater ecosystem covers 2%, 1%, 3%, 5%. The correct answer is 1%. Foul smell in leg is produced by algae, bacteria, fungi, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. In disease like polio, the cells that get destroyed by virus are monocytes, erythrocytes, motor neurons, sensory neurons. The correct answer is motor neurons. Dicotyledons weeds are destroyed by a chemical called indole acetic acid, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic abscisic acid, naphthalene acetic acid. The correct answer is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. इसको हम 2,4-D भी कहते हैं एंड इंडोल एसिटिक एसिड को IAA भी कहते हैं. Which type of stem modification is seen in banana? Rhizome, stem tuber, corn, bulb. The correct answer is rhizome. There are approximately how many muscles in human body? 206, 310, 554, 700. The correct answer is 700. Most important MCQs, also short question and also long question. What is the shortest phase of the cell cycle? सेल क्या है और साइकिल उसका क्या है? सेल साइकिल में हमारे पास सबसे छोटा जो फेज है वो कौन सा है? M phase, G1 phase, S phase, G2. You may also see in this diagram G1, S, G2, M and G2. S. The correct answer is M phase. M phase को हम रेस्टिंग फेज भी कहते हैं. G1 को हम लोग पोस्ट माइटोटिक फेज भी कहते हैं. G2 को हम प्री माइटोटिक फेज भी कहते हैं. एंड S फेज को हम DNA रेप्लिकेशन एंड DNA सिंथेसिस, क्रोमोसोम नंबर डबल्ड हो जाता है इसमें. हाउ मेनी डॉटर सेल्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन माइटोसिस? 2. द करेक्ट आंसर इज 2. नेक्स्ट, chylomicrons are synthesized within the intestinal cells, liver, storage compartment of plant seeds, या lymphatic system. The correct answer is chylomicrons. The 4 major types of lipoproteins are chylomicrons. VLDL means very low density lipoproteins, LDL low density lipoproteins, HDL high density lipoproteins. Chylomicrons are formed in the endoplasmic reticulum in the absorbed कर रही है सेल को enterocytes of the small intestine. I hope so you understand the discussion about important MCQs. Any question, any query you may ask in the section box. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.